I know it is hard to face a rejection. It is difficult for those who haven't faced it, those who only know winning. It's hard for them to face being rejected by someone. They don't know the importance of rejection. When we face rejections, then we realize we need to improve ourselves. Improvement begins at rejections. The more you face rejections, the more chances of your success. Rejection doesn't mean you aren't good enough. It simply means that other person failed to notice what you have to offer. So don't be upset when someone rejects you. Nice things are rejected all time by those who cannot afford them. The same is in the case of Mr. Jack Ma. Do you know this person? Maybe or may not be. This person is from China. In his school life, he failed 2 times in 4th standard, 3 times in 8th standard, 5 times in his entrance exam for graduation. Well, if you think it was very hard for him, so this was just a beginning of rejections. Later on, he went for job in 30 different companies and they all rejected him. Can you face so much rejections? Reply me in the comment section. He again tried for a job in KFC where 24 other person also applied for the same job. And you won't believe all of them got the job except him. So can you relate with him? After facing so much problems and so much rejection, he launched a website called Alibaba.com. Later on, he became the richest man of China. So, sometimes it takes 10 years of hard work to bring that 1 year which will change your whole life. If he would give up on all the rejections, he would never be one of the richest men in China. So, whenever we start something new or we try something new, we face rejection or failures. Then we start thinking of giving up. Rejections are necessary to improve. So face rejections and move on always. If we take rejections personally, we will not be able to move forward. So at the conclusion, rejection is a part of journey. Rejection is not a sign that something is wrong for you. It's a sign that they are wrong for you. Always accept rejection and move forward. See you in the next video.